Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a coffee lover, then today's video is just for you. We're diving into the top 5 espresso machines that will help you brew like a pro, right in your own kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned barista, we've got something for everyone. So grab your favorite cup of coffee and let's get started. First on our list is the CASABREWS Espresso Machine 20 bar. This sleek and compact espresso maker brings professional quality brewing to your home kitchen. With a 20 bar pressure system and 1350 watt motor, you're guaranteed to extract rich, flavorful espresso every time. Whether you're in the mood for a bold espresso, a frothy cappuccino, or a smooth latte, this machine handles it all with ease. The standout feature here is the powerful steam wand, which creates rich, creamy microfoam for latte art and perfectly textured milk for your drinks. What makes this machine perfect for home use is the 49-ounce removable water tank, meaning you can brew multiple cups without the need for constant refilling. The stainless steel design is both durable and stylish, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Plus, it's easy to clean with its removable drip tray and simple setup. Whether you're just getting started or a seasoned barista, the CASABREWS Espresso Machine is an excellent choice for making cafe quality drinks at home. Next up is the Breville BES 870XL Barista Express, an all-in-one espresso machine that takes your coffee game to the next level. This machine features an integrated precision burr grinder, so you can grind your coffee beans fresh every time. Going from bean to espresso has never been quicker thanks to the grind-on-demand technology. You can easily customize the grind size to match your preferred taste, whether you're using dark roasts or light roasts. The digital temperature control PID ensures that the water is always at the optimal temperature for the perfect extraction, bringing out the full flavor of your coffee. Plus, the manual steam wand gives you the power to texture milk like a pro, so you can create silky smooth lattes and cappuccinos with ease. With its sleek stainless steel design, the Barista Express fits into any kitchen while offering professional results. If you want a machine that delivers cafe-quality espresso at home with minimal effort, the Breville BES 870XL is the perfect choice. Third on our list is the Breville Bambino Espresso Machine, a compact powerhouse that delivers barista-quality espresso in no time. With its thermojet heating system, this machine reaches the perfect brewing temperature in just 3 seconds, so you can start making your coffee almost immediately. It also features low-pressure pre-infusion, which gradually increases pressure to ensure the coffee grounds are evenly extracted for a balanced, full-flavored espresso. What sets the Bambino apart is its automatic steam wand, which takes the guesswork out of milk texturing. It adjusts the temperature and texture to your liking, allowing you to create microfoam for lattes, cappuccinos, or flat whites with ease. This hands-free milk frothing system makes it a great option for both beginners and experienced baristas. Despite its compact size, the Breville Bambino doesn't compromise on quality. If you're looking for a fast, reliable, and easy-to-use espresso machine, the Bambino is the perfect choice for brewing high-quality espresso without the wait. Next up is the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro, a true gem for espresso enthusiasts who want professional-level performance at home. Made in Italy, this machine is designed with commercial-grade components, featuring a 9-bar pump and a 58mm stainless steel portafilter for rich, full-bodied espresso. The commercial steam wand gives you the ability to froth milk to perfection, creating creamy lattes and frothy cappuccinos with ease. The Gaggia Classic Evo Pro also features a 3-way solenoid valve, which helps to ensure that excess water is released from the coffee grounds after extraction, leaving you with dry, easy to dispose of puck. The solid steel housing makes the machine durable and reliable, while the self-serviceable design allows for easy maintenance and long-term use. If you're serious about your espresso, the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to bring cafe quality espresso into their home kitchen. Last on our list is the QJA Espresso Machine with milk frother, a stylish and functional espresso maker perfect for home use. With its 20-bar pressure system, this machine ensures you get a rich, smooth espresso every time, delivering professional results without leaving your kitchen. The LED touchscreen interface makes it easy to navigate, allowing you to adjust settings quickly and brew your coffee just the way you like it. The milk frothing system is another standout feature. With its stable steam control, you can create rich, creamy microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos, and even experiment with latte art. The machine also has an automatic cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. Its compact design and stainless steel body make it a perfect addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a casual drinker, the QJA Espresso Machine gives you the flexibility to create a variety of coffee drinks with ease, making it a great choice for coffee lovers. So there you have it, the top 5 espresso machines that will take your coffee game to the next level. Whether you're brewing your morning espresso or making a fancy latte, these machines will get the job done. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy brewing!